Want to delete apps from your App Store download history? I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's super quick and super easy. First, open up the App Store on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon. Once you're in your account page, tap on Apps. Here's where you'll see every app you've ever downloaded, even the ones you might have forgotten about. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to remove from your history. Got it? Good. Now, real quick, just so you know, the App Store doesn't actually let us permanently delete apps from our history. Hiding them is the only option Apple gives us. Swipe left on the app, just like you're deleting a text message, and you'll see a Hide button appear. Go ahead and tap Hide. And just like that, it disappears from your download list. So while the app is still tied to your Apple ID somewhere behind the scenes, it's totally hidden from your download list and no one else will see it. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you clean up your App Store, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.